Most new publishers get stuck on KDP because they overcomplicate the book interiors. They think their book interiors should be perfect. In this video, I will show you exactly how I create KDP interiors very fast using a simple system that actually works for me. When I first started publishing books on Amazon, I spent way too much time on creating book interiors, trying to make everything perfect, adding too many elements and overthinking every page. It slowed me down and didn't really improve my results. What changed things for me was very simple. I stopped trying to be perfect and focused on making the interior clear, simple and useful. Speed and clarity matter more than complexity. Here is my simple process for creating Amazon KDP interiors. First of all, I decide the type of book, then I create the pages, and after that I structure the book, and finally I review and export. Now, to quickly show you a practical example of my book interior, you can see this simple letter tracing book. I have created 2 pages to demonstrate what I have shared in the intro of this video. You can see I have created this page for letter tracing. I am using a very niche specific font, that is tracing font Canva Student. This is without tracing and these are the tracing lines, so that's why it's saying multiple fonts. Actually I am using single fonts. This is the selection of fonts. Then I am using proper margins, you can see here, and I am using this image and then the title for this image, and these are the directional arrows, and I will keep this layout and this format throughout my book. Like you can see, the font is same, the spacing is same, and the margins are same. And then on the second page I have included multiple pages here, so let me switch to pages. So this was our second letter tracing page, B for ball, and you can see the layout is exactly the same, nothing is changed here. A font and the size of letters is same. So the idea is to create a consistent layout throughout the entire book so that your interior looks professional and it is easily accepted by Amazon KDP. I have created this in free version of Canva. You can also create a lot of custom interiors using Canva alone. I also use some paid apps like Math Worksheets Generator for creating math workbooks. You can see I have just created one sample page for long division. I set the same margins and layout. I can set the margins here. These margins will be same throughout my entire book. I will be using the same font and same layout throughout, and I use Sudoku generator from Cloudorca to create Sudoku books. They also have some other generators like counting worksheet generator, perimeter, time worksheet generator and other. So these are some apps I use, and these are optional apps. You can use free apps like Microsoft PowerPoint and other apps. These are my personal favorites. I like to use these apps to create my interiors very quickly. I also use Canva, and the main idea is to keep interiors with same layout with proper margins so your books look professional. Like you can see, I have created this simple page. I can quickly create another page simply duplicating this page. This will keep my layout, and I can simply change the letters here and here. Layout and the font will remain same. It will give a nice clean look and feel throughout the book, and it will look professional. So that was how I quickly create book interiors and keep them professional. Before creating anything, I look at other books in my niche, not to copy but to understand the interior structure. I look for how many pages they have and what type of pages they have included. This gives me a direction before I start. This is where most of the work happens. I create pages based on the structure I plan. I keep everything clean and consistent with the same layout, spacing and style across all pages. I don't try to make each page different. The goal is usability, not complexity. When it comes to creating high quality book interiors for Amazon KDP, consistency is the key. If pages look different, the book feels unprofessional. Once I have one solid layout, I reuse it across the entire book. Before exporting, I go through the full book once. I check alignments, readability and usability. It's a quick quality check without overthinking. Common mistakes include trying to make interiors too fancy, changing layouts too often, and spending too much time on small details. These slow you down without improving results. The bottom line is keep your book interior simple, clear and consistent. That's what helps you create faster and publish more efficiently. If you want my full KDP system from niche research to publishing, I have put everything together step by step. Check out the link in the description. Lastly, focus on progress, not perfection. That's how you actually make this work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.